Welcome back to the end of the road for the How to Fade video series with our friend Brad the Mannequin with this haircut. Now, I've worn this haircut one way or another for a long time. Sometimes, I like it when I got this much length on it. Right now it's kind of flat, not a lot shorter, but a little bit shorter than this. Style and finish, obviously it's going to depend on how much length you have on the top and the variation you're after. You know me, I'm a gel guy. There's a link to the gel in the video description. Pomades, waxes, pastes, so much product opportunity, so much incredible styling versatility, whether you're going to blow dry or you're going to air dry. And me, some days, depends. If I'm in a hurry, I throw the gel in and I walk away. If I have time, sometimes I'll dry it first and I'll put styling product in on dry hair. Otherwise, I will simply dry, I'll dry it, or I'll put product in and then dry it from damp and call it a day. But that is an incredibly versatile haircut, an incredibly popular haircut, and once you know the secrets, dare I say, an incredibly easy haircut. Let me know what you thought of this video series. Like, comment, share, notifications, subscriptions, be a part of the community. Let's get the conversation flowing. Let's help you do better fade haircuts every time you give it a shot. I'm Ivan. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again in another video series, which will start, oh, I don't know, tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great day.